असल इंसान दुर्रो, और जब इंसान को कोई तकलीफ पहुंचती है, दाना ले जम्बे ही, वो हमें पुकारता है, दुआ करता है, लेटा हुआ पहलू के बल, और कायदन या बैठा हुआ, और कायमन या खड़े हुए। फलम्मा कशफना अनहु दुर्रहु, और जब हम उससे उसकी उस तकलीफ़ को दूर कर देते हैं, मर्रा कअल्लम यदउना इला दुर्रिन मस्सा, फिर वो ऐसे चल देता है जैसे उसने कभी हमें पुकारा ही नहीं था, कि वो तकलीफ़ हुई नहीं थी, उसे कोई तकलीफ़ हुई, वो उसने पुकारा, हमें भूल जाता है। कज़ालिका ज़ुय्यिना लिलमुस्रिफ़ीन मा कानू यामलून, इस तरीके से मुज़य्यन कर दिया गया है इन हद से बढ़ने वालों के लिए, बेबाक लोगों के लिए, उनके अमाल को। यानी ढिठाई इनके अंदर इतनी हो गई है, ज़रा तकलीफ़ हम दे दें तो हमें गिड़गिड़ा कर जो है दुआएं मांग मांग कर वो जो है अपनी पूरी पूरी रात गुजार देंगे, और जब वो तकलीफ़ रफ़ा हो जाए तो ऐसे भूल जाएंगे हमें जैसे हमें जानते ही नहीं।
मस्सल इंसान अद्दुर दआना लिजंबिही। Some say there's a asbab nuzul to this ayah, there's a context to this ayah. One of the kuffar has a really big problem in his life, and he figures that this problem of time of difficulty, he should come to the Prophet and ask for some help. So he came to the Prophet ﷺ, and he said, make dua for me, what should I do, etc., etc. So he was getting close to Islam. And he was coming to Islam because he had a problem. I've actually met people like that, people having problem with life and they show up at the masjid. I'm wondering if Allah can help me. I'm having this really bad situation. So Allah says when human beings, when harm touches the human being, He calls on us, لِجَنْبِهِ أَوْ قَاعِدًا أَوْ قَائِمًا. He's either sitting for long hours, depressed, he's on the side, he's calling on Allah. Sitting, he's calling on Allah. Standing, he's calling on Allah. Meaning he's just, Ya Allah, just get rid of this problem. Oh God, please, oh God. He doesn't have to say it in Arabic. Right? He's just calling on Allah. فَلَمَّا كَشَفْنَا عَنْهُ. Then when we alleviate the problem, get rid of it from him, get rid of the problem for him. Kashafa in Arabic is to unravel something, unveil something, to remove something so to display something that was previously hidden. So the ease was hidden and it was covered by difficulty. So Allah says, Kashafna anhu durrahu. We unwrapped his harm. We took it off, the cover of harm, we took it off of him so he has ease again. Marra ka'allam yad'una ila durrin massahu. He walks around like he wasn't calling on us in the time of difficulty that touched him. Like, people that are depressed, they have a certain drop shoulder, kind of walking around. And when the problem's gone, their shoulders stick out. And he's walking around, hey, how's it going? Yeah. Completely forgets Allah. Allah literally says he's walking around, marra ka'allam yad'una ila durrin massahu. He's walking around like he wasn't calling on us just a second ago, because of a problem that was touching him. كَذَلِكَ زُيِّنَ لِلْمُسْرِفِينَ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. That is how we beautify for those who go beyond limits. Al-Musrifin, those who keep overindulging the things that they do. In other words, it was your indulgence that landed you in your problem in the first place. Then Allah helped you out, and you went back to your israf again. If you want to bring an example closer to home, you're addicted to watching TV. Or, hanging out with bad company or whatever. And then you feel something in your eye. Something's bugging you in your eye. So you go to the doctor and he tells you, looks like you're going to lose your eyesight. And now you're like in shock. How can I? What? Really? I'm going to lose my eyesight? That can't be. And the first thing that goes on in your head is, how can this happen? And you're thinking of medical reasons, physical reasons. Then you start thinking of spiritual reasons. And you realize, man, I watch too much filth. That's why Allah's punishing me. So what's the first thing that goes? Movies are gone. The Netflix app is erased. Hulu's erased. The Amazon account is closed. YouTube is gone. All that stuff is gone. And then you go for the next diagnosis, it's getting worse and worse. Eventually the doctor says, actually, looks like you're recovering. You'll be fine. And in a couple of weeks you're fine again. Guess what comes back again? The apps are reinstalled. Go back to normal.